Parties contest for governance, and a winning party is voted for based on its manifesto, and the first runner-up becomes a leader of opposition. That has been the practice, and with the administration of parliament, a leader of opposition is picked from the party that comes second in the national election. Now, we've been debating and seeing to what extent would such represent the interests of all other political parties in parliament which are in opposition? And have we been able to get their views in many of these critical national issues? When a leader of opposition speaks in parliament, does he or she speak on behalf of other political parties who are in opposition, or he or she speaks on behalf of his party that sponsors him to become a leader of opposition?
One of the bill proposes to change the definition of the leader of the opposition. The current act is that the current law is that the leader of the opposition is that person who is elected by the party in parliament with the highest numerical strength. We believe that to cast the leader of the opposition as such would go against the established traditional parliamentary systems in most of the Commonwealth jurisdictions. The leader of the opposition is typically a leader chosen by the largest political party not in government, and that position typically exists in multi-party democracies. We are inclined to suggest and propose that the law remain as is on that point.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.